everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I've got something new for you. I am going to show you a subscription service for lingerie. So if you want to know more, if you want to see what lingerie I picked up, then keep on watching. So I was kindly gifted some lingerie by a company called Lingerie. So they are a monthly subscription service. You can choose one pair of underwear or two. So one pair of underwear is £10.99 a month, and if you go for two pairs it's £14.99 a month. They're delivered straight to your door and they are delivered discreetly, so nobody's going to know that you've got regular undies coming every month. Delivery is free, it's included within the subscription service, and what I think is quite cool is you can choose what style of underwear that you want. So you can either choose for thongs, only thongs, never thongs, so they'll send you a brief, or a mix of both, and I decided to choose a mix of both. So let's just open them and see what they're like, okay? They come in this cute little package, and inside you get a cute little card to say thanks for your order. And I chose mix of both. So I have this cute little thong. So it's fully covered at the front, and at the back is this really pretty lace, which I think is so cute. The quality of these, let me just say that the quality of the underwear is ridiculous. Like, it is really, really good. I got mine in a size medium, which is 8 to 10. So let's just run through the sizing. So they go from extra small all the way up to extra large, and medium is an 8 to 10. So bear that in mind when you submit your subscription. However, if you receive them and find that they don't fit quite right, you can just log onto the portal, the online portal, and just change the size, just like that. I just want to say as well that it's quite cool because they just pick, you get like a surprise underwear. They just pick it for you, which I think is quite nice. You get to update your underwear quite regularly, because let's be honest, who updates their underwear on the regular? I mean, I don't. And just wearing nice underwear, it sounds silly, but putting nice underwear on can completely change the way you feel about yourself. Even though no one can see it, obviously, it's how you feel, isn't it? So I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, thong. And then I got a nice little brief. So like a short. They are lace at the front, but they're double layered, so you can't see through, and fully covered at the back with little lace trims. They're really stretchy, they're really comfortable. Woo. They're really comfortable, which you've got to have comfortable underwear, haven't you? That's a must. Even the thong is comfortable when I tried it on, so that's good. Some of you might be sat there thinking, why would I have monthly subscription for underwear? Well, we have monthly subscription for makeup, hair care, things like that, clothing even. Why not have it for underwear? Why not? Shopping for underwear can be, to be honest, I don't like shopping for underwear. I love shopping for clothes and things like that. Underwear, just there, it's just meh. So to receive something in the post that you haven't chosen but is really pretty and comfy, I just think, why not? You can cancel at any time, so you don't have to keep up the monthly subscription. So you could do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, whatever. They're a brilliant company, so I just wanted to pop on here and tell you guys about them so that you can make your own mind up. I'll link everything in the description box. They're linked to their website. So at the beginning of February, their website will be live. You can click the link down below and you can join the wait list so that you're notified when the website becomes live, so then you can go on and have a good old look around and decide for yourself. I think the subscription market is developing, and it is developing into underwear, and why the hell not? Undies to your door. You haven't got to go out and buy underwear. You get a little nice surprise because you don't know what you're going to receive, and everything's super cute. As always, I'll link everything in the description box, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, that will mean the world to me, and I'll be coming back at you with all my latest videos. So without further ado, that's everything I have to say, and I will be seeing you very soon in my next video. Bye!